Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our midweek clean with me. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get into today's video.
I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do.
Today the house was actually not that bad. I am still behind on laundry. I don't know if I will ever fully get my laundry caught up, but I did get a couple loads done today. And then I tackled the kitchen, the living room, and our master bathroom.
Have you ever been in love?
The garbage bags on the dryer are my niece's sweaters that she went through and she wants to get rid of. So I still need to go through them and figure out which ones I can use for the boys, and then the rest I will be donating. I need to get that done. I did not get that done in today's video, but it is on my list of things to do this week.
When she thinks nobody sees, when she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud.
So I wash and dry all of the laundry in the house, but the kids are responsible for putting away their laundry. I did have them doing their own laundry, but it was just a hassle, and I felt like we could never keep up with clothes, and they weren't really putting their clothes away after they were dried. So I came up with this system and I absolutely love it. I also took their laundry hampers out of their room, and I have one just in the laundry room for them. So when they are done, they have to bring their clothes out and put them in the hamper, and then I will wash them and dry them and they put them away. And this really works good for us. I haven't had any issues with the kids not putting away their laundry or leaving dirty clothes in their room.
I wanna spend the night with her, bring one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress?
The kitchen was not bad today, but there was still a lot of stuff on the countertop. For some reason, everyone will come home and they will just place all of their stuff on the countertops, and then I have to remind them that they have to find a home for it because it does not belong on my countertops. My husband and I are also guilty of this, so I'm sure that's where they get it from.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries.
I'm going to be making a video of me deep cleaning all of my appliances. I like to do this once a month, but I haven't done it for a while because we went on vacation and the kids are going back to school, so it's been a little hectic here, but I am currently making that video, so that should be up this week or next week.
Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay. inside a wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right.
I filled the dishwasher up with dirty dishes and then I forgot to run it. So I went to bed, I woke up in the morning and realized that we had no clean plates or any dishes in the house. So I had to hand wash some before I could make breakfast, and yeah, that was really annoying. So I need to get better at that. I tend to do that a lot and I never learn.
Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh.
Another place in my house that is a collect-all is definitely our table, and it's usually my husband and I that do that.
Let you down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own.
The living room was relatively clean. There was just a lot of dog toys out and blankets that I needed to put away because I washed them. I did sweep and mop because we have 7 mini schnauzers and they go outside and the puppies like to dig. We have a lot of holes in the backyard and we have to fix that somehow. But then they will come inside and get their dirty little paws all over the floor and you will be walking in sand. So I do sweep a lot throughout the week, but I try to cut down my mopping to twice a week because I was mopping, you guys, every single day there for a while, and I realized that it was pretty much pointless. I did not need to do it, so I now try to do it once to twice a week. But there's my little babies. That is Luna, and then there's Storm in the back. They are our newest puppies. We had them since they were born, and I just absolutely love them. They sure bring joy to our lives. I love all of my dogs and cats. I love animals.
What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need.
I took a break from cleaning to make myself my current favorite sandwich. I use a white sub bun. Last time I had wheat sub buns, which they were pretty good, but I prefer the white ones instead. I cover that with some garlic butter. I almost forgot what it was. And then I throw it in the air fryer for 4 minutes. And then I will cut up some romaine lettuce. Make sure you wash your lettuce, people. And then I cut that up. I like to have it the size of a salad. And then I will put some Caesar dressing on, just a little bit. I don't really like the Caesar dressing that much, but I like it. And then I will take 2 pieces of the prosciutto, I'm saying that wrong, and I will place them on the sandwich, and then I will put the salad mixture that I made on it, and then I cut it up, and it's amazing. I absolutely love this. I have this at least once a day, you guys. It's crazy. And then I decided to make some lemonade. We got this pitcher at a garage sale. My daughter found it and she loved it. So I used to have a pitcher growing up. My mom would always have one with Kool-Aid, orange juice, grape juice, whatever. So I had to get it when we saw it at the garage sale. It was like $2, I think. I haven't made lemonade in years, so I was trying to figure it out. I think I ended up putting 5 scoops of the lemonade powder in, and then I put some fresh lemons in there, and then I did a scoop of sugar because I'm not sure if it needs sugar or not, but it tastes good, so thumbs up for that.
What you do, you know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say, I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. I try to stay calm, but it feels like I'm a ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for all you. You know it's what you say and what you do.
Our bedroom wasn't that messy. I just had to make the bed, and I believe I put away a couple clothes. And then I just moved on to our bathroom, which again was not that bad. There was a lot of clothes laying on the ground, but other than that, our bedroom and master bathroom was pretty well clean. My husband did get home at this time, so I was happy that I got my cleaning done, so I was able to spend time with him for the rest of the night.
You to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't.
Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because I just got done filming my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. That will be going live, I believe, next week. I will see you guys in my next video.